Now, see student, we are now seeing the nomenclature of phenols. Now, alcohols have the OH group directly attached to the, that is the saturated chain of the alkanes. But here, the OH group is attached to the benzene ring. The phenols, in phenols, the hydroxyl group is attached to that of the aromatic ring. Then how the names are given for this phenol? Now see, this is the simplest, that is structure. The OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Now by IUPAC name systems, this phenol this is the common name of phenol, but IUPAC name system gives the permission to give the IUPAC name for this as phenol also. But it is also called as the benzol. Now here the substituent methyl group is attached to that of the benzene ring, which is at the ortho position of this OH group. Now this is the methyl group, but commonly such methyl group is if present ortho position of the OH group attached to the benzene ring, they are called as the orthocresol. Now if the methyl group is present at the meta position, they are called as the metacresol, and if the CH3 group is present at the para position, then that is the phenol having the substituent methyl group at para position are called as the paracresol commonly. Now here the numbering for the IUPAC name are given. Now this OH group attached the position of this carbon is carbon number 1, at which the OH group is attached of the benzene ring. Now if it is carbon number 1, then this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Such numbers are given. As the methyl group is nearest to this side, so numbering is done from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the IUPAC name of this phenol is 2-methyl phenol. That is the IUPAC name. Now here nitro group is present as the substituents. So only give the number from the carbon atom at which OH group is attached. Now this is the first carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the nitro group is present on the 4 number of carbon atom. So IUPAC name of this phenol is 4-nitrophenol. But these OH group and NO2 group are at the para position. This NO2 group is at para position of this OH group. So commonly it called as the para-nitrophenol. Now come to the next. Now here 2 OH groups are present as that of the diol in the alcohols. Now these are also the diols, but these are the aromatic diols. Now commonly it is called as the catechol, but the IUPAC name is given of such diol or triol. For that benzene word is completely written here. Now this is the benzene, and at which position OH groups are present. If we number from this side 1, 2 or 1, 2 in this way, they are the benzene 1, 2 diol. Such type of the that is the phenol having the 2 OH group. They are called as the aromatic diol, and the IUPAC name is given by writing benzene word completely and then the position of the OH group and write down then diol, because there are the 2 OH group. So it is the benzene 1, 2 diol. Now see the another aromatic, that is the phenol. Here the OH groups are as the meta position to each other. The OH groups are at meta position to each other. Here the numbering is given from this OH group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the position of the OH groups are on the first and third carbon atoms. So the name is given as benzene 1,3-diol. But commonly it is called as the resorcinol. Commonly it is called as resorcinol. Commonly it is called as the resorcinol. Now next, that is the this phenol is there. Here the OH groups are at the para position of each other. Write down this. Now here OH groups are at the para position, so they are called as the hydroquinone. As if they are at the ortho position to OH group, they are called as the catechol. If they are at the meta position, then they are called as the resorcinol. But if they are at the para position, the common name is hydroquinone or quinol. Now, by IUPAC name system, the name of this, that is the alcohol having two OH group, is called as the benzene 1,4-diol. The name is, because numbering is from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the benzene 1,4-diol. Now these are the triols, as that of in alcohols. If the three OH groups are present, we call as the glycerols or triol. IUPAC name is given as the triols. Here also these are the aromatic triols. Now here, if the common name is given for this three OH group having, that is the alcohol, phenol, then they are called as the pyroglucinol. And if we give the numbering from this side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first position, third position and fifth position of the hydrogens are replaced by these three OH groups. So the IUPAC name of this phenol is benzene 1,3,5-triol, because numbering is given from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the benzene 1,3,5-triol. Now see this, that is the compound. This is also the ring to which OH group is attached. But they are not the aromatic, that is phenols. They are the, cyclic alcohols are there. Now the name of this, if the OH group is not present, then this is the cyclobutane. But here the hydrogen atom, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by this OH group. So it is called as the cyclobutanol, as that of the alcohol. So it is the cyclobutanol. There may be cyclopentanol or cyclohexanol also, but they are not the aromatic compounds. They are, that is the cyclic saturated type of the compound. So if the OH group is present to that, then that are similar to that of the alcohols. Now come to the nomenclature of phenols. Already we have seen. Now nomenclature of ethers. Now we are seeing the chapter, that is the organic hydroxy compounds. Into that, three organic hydroxy compounds are there: alcohols, phenols and ethers. The nomenclature of alcohols: we have seen yesterday. Now the nomenclature of phenols we already see today. Now these are the nomenclature of ethers. Now here the first simplest ether, that is the dimethyl ether, the common name because two methyl groups are there. So this is the dimethyl ether. But how the IUPAC name is given? For writing the IUPAC name, first see which alkane is the larger alkane. Now do the name in such a way that the larger alkane becomes the parent alkane and the smaller alkyl group are there. The smaller alkyl group is the alkoxy group and the larger alkane group is written as the parent alkane. Now here both of the alkyl groups are similar, methyl. So any methyl group considered as the parent alkane and the another methyl group is considered as the methoxy group. So the IUPAC name of this ether is methoxy methane. Very simple to give the IUPAC name of the ethers. Now see here, this is the ethyl-methyl ether. The name ethyl is given first in the common name because alphabetically E comes first after N. So this is the ethyl-methyl ether. But this ethyl group is the larger group than the methyl group. So the parent alkane is considered as the ethane and this becomes that is the methoxy group. So the IUPAC name for this ether is methoxy ethane. In this way the IUPAC name is given. If the larger alkyl group is present more than 2 carbon atom containing alkyl group, then numbering is given the carbon atoms from that side at which the oxygen of the, that is functional group of the ether, is attached. Now see, this is the N-propyl methyl ether, or N come first, so it is the methyl N-propyl ether. M come first alphabetically, then P, so it is the methyl N-propyl ether. But here more than 2 carbon atoms are present on these larger alkyl groups. So give the numbering for that carbon atoms as from this side 1, 2, 3. So at the first carbon of this larger alkyl group, that is the propyl group, the O is attached of the ether. So during writing the IUPAC name, first write the methoxy because it is the smaller alkyl group, and then give the number at which the oxygen is attached. So it is 1 is written for this CH2 group of the propyl group having oxygen directly attached. So it is the 1-methoxy propane. 1 is written first. 1-methoxy propane. If the OH group is attached to the second carbon atom of the propyl group, that is the 2-methoxy propane is there. For example, C, such type of, suppose there ether is such type of CH3, CH. Now here the OH group is attached to this second carbon atom if there. Suppose CH3, O, and then CH is there, and then CH3 is there in this way. Now see, this oxygen is attached to that of the second carbon because numbering is given in this way 1, 2, 3 in the straight line. The numbering is given. So the name, IUPAC name of this ether is 2-methoxy propane, and the common name of that ether is methoxy isopropyl ether, because this is the isopropyl group. This is the isopropyl group. So the name for this ether is 2-methoxy, that is the propane. Why 2-methoxy propane? Because the oxygen of the ether is attached to the second carbon atom of this larger alkyl group, that is the propyl group. So it is the 2-methoxy propane, and as it is the isopropyl group, so the common name is the common name is methyl isopropyl ether, methyl isopropyl ether, the common name. Now see this phenyl ring, C6H5. This is the phenyl group and this is the methyl group, but this is the larger group, that is the phenyl group. So the name of this IUPAC name of this ether is methoxybenzene, because this is the though it is phenyl group, but we give the right here name of the complete, that is the group, such as propane, ethane. So here I write the benzene. This is methoxybenzene, not methoxyphenyl in this way. This is methoxybenzene, and the common name is, it is very famous by anisole, by the name of anisole, but this is methyl phenyl ether, because M comes first, then the P, so it is the methyl phenyl ether, or it is also called as the anisole or methoxybenzene. Now come to this next ether. Now here I write the numbering in this way. Here 1, 2, 3. Now the numbering is given from this carbon where the oxygen is attached. As to the first carbon of this propyl group, the oxygen is attached, so it is called as the 1-propoxybenzene. IUPAC name of this compound is 1-propoxybenzene, because benzene is the larger, having 6 carbon atom group, and this is only 3 carbon atoms group. So benzene is the parent, and the name is given as 1-propoxybenzene to this ether, but the common name is phenyl N-propyl ether. As both having the, that is the name started from P, but H come first, then the R. So the name of phenyl is taken first. Phenyl N-propyl ether. The common name of this ether is phenyl N-propyl ether. See the next ether. This is the cyclic ring having ether. Now here the common name of this ether is not given here, but the numbering is done from this carbon atom. Why this is the numbering is given from this carbon atom? Because there are the 2 substituents on the first carbon atom, and on second carbon atom there is the methoxy group. So the numbering is from this side. Now give the numbering to the, that is the ring carbons, as 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no common name for such ethers. Now at the first carbon atom there are the 2 methyl substituents, and on the second carbon atom there is the methoxy group. So the IUPAC name for this ether is 2-methoxy-1,1-dimethyl, and as it is the cyclobutane, so 2-methoxy-1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane is the name of this ether. This is the smaller alkyl group, so it becomes as the methoxy group, and this is the larger, that is the cyclic group. So the name is given as 2-methoxy-1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane. Now see this compound. Here there are, that is the 2 alkyl groups are there in this compound. Now this is from exercise. This is the phenol. This is not ether, but they ask us to write down the name of this compound. Up to this we have seen the nomenclature of ethers. Now this is from exercise questions. Now see Here two alkyl groups are there, both are the ethyl groups. Now this is the phenol, and the IUPAC name of this phenol is given as the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As at the 2 position and 5 position there are the 2 ethyl groups. So the name of this phenol is 2,5-diethyl phenol. Now this is the 2,5-diethyl phenol. This is a question from the exercise. Now see, this is the alcohol, but it is having double bond having alcohol. Now how we name that alcohol? We already see in the nomenclature of alcohol. Now the numbering is done from this carbon 1, 2, 3. On the second carbon there is the double bond. On the first carbon there is the hydroxyl group. So there are the 3 carbon atoms in this alcohol. So it is the parent alkane or parent alkene. It is the propene. But at the second carbon atom there is the double bond. So the name of this alcohol is prop. At second carbon there is double bond, therefore 2. At it is double bond, so En is written here. And at one carbon atom there is the OH group, so prop 2En1 all. This is the IUPAC name of this alcohol. Now let us see the next, that is the here ether is again. Now here this is the isopropyl group, so common name, and this is the methyl group. Common name of this ether is what is methoxy isopropyl ether. Methoxy isopropyl ether is the common name. But what is the IUPAC name? Number from this carbon 1, 2, 3 here. At the second carbon there is the O group, that is the oxygen is attached. So the IUPAC name of this ether is 2-methoxypropane, because at the second carbon there is attached of this methoxy group. So it is the 2-methoxypropane. Now this is its IUPAC name.